Hey you guys, so at my boyfriend's house, his family's house. I love their backyard. There's so much you can do back here. Like there's so much freaking space. So that's where my boyfriend gets to work on his cars, stuff like that. But I want to show you his mom's garden. I'm already getting eating alive. I see a lot of bees. But I'm a Virgo, so we need to get with nature, but nature does not like me. So let's check out her garden. So this is the garden. Yes, like all right, over here we have these beautiful flowers. Then over here we have some more beautiful flowers. Okay, you guys, like I hear bees. Me and bees do not get along, but I'm trying to show you his mama's garden. So beautiful. Look at the lavender. So beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna go, so I don't want to disturb Mother Nature. But this is the garden, you guys. We love. I was actually getting a little itchy, so I had to get out of there. But I love his mom's garden. This is where I take my pictures sometimes. Yeah. But I actually want to get a bear because Bae got bear. Not a bear drinker, but it's summer. We are trying new things. We are turning 30 next month, so why not?
Black nigga ain't say nothing. He ain't Mexican, I guess. He don't got no Mexican friends.
Hey my love bugs, so it's been a couple of days back at work. Weekend is over. Can't wait till this weekend, going back to the beach. But no, you guys, hey my love bugs, welcome to another day in this vlog. Just got to work. I thought I would just do like a night routine after work, or like what I like to do after work on Tuesdays, because I do a double 8 to 8. So yeah, so we're gonna go home and get it together. Like I'm super excited. I don't know, I feel like something amazing is gonna happen, and I'm just ready. My hair's a mess. I know I said I wasn't gonna wear a wig, but girl, my hair needs to get washed. I need a wash day. But yeah, I love you loves. Let's go home, shower, Bible reading, and catching up on our shows. Hey my love, so I'm home. Sorry if the lighting's kind of bad. One of the lights in my kitchen is going out, so we just have this bright living room light for right now. Kitchen's literally right there, like right there. That light, if I turn this living room light off, that one looks so yellow and so dim. I'm like, bro, I gotta change the bulbs in my apartment. But yeah, I'm home in my apartment. But I want to show you guys the Instagram reel section, or just section where I film my outfit videos or just try on hauls. Right there, you guys. So proud and happy with myself. This used to be a disaster, not a disaster over here, it's just doing too much. But me and my brother decided, like, this wall over here by the front door, since it's huge, the windows face it, like all the sunlight goes that way. This is gonna be our Instagram wall, which I'm super excited, happy about. Your girl already started her Instagram reels over here. Check me out on my Instagram. But yeah, I'm so excited. So the idea is to have like a big mirror. This mirror is gonna go back in my room. This is my mirror, but we want an arch mirror. We want like a circle mirror, like something different and actually bigger. So, and then we was like, we need a plant. Got my plant and clothing rack for when we, do our try on hauls, and like when I do my Instagram reels where I just, you know, pick up the clothes, act like I'm putting it on, and boom, your girl snatched. But yeah, I'm super excited about this Instagram wall, this spot, like this whole space. I'm in love. I love it. I really love my apartment. If you guys don't or do know, I do live in a 2-bedroom flat. So it's an open space concept apartment, which we love. I love open concept because it gives me so much to do. So quick little tour. So that's the living room area. You guys see my books over there. So that's the living area, you know, front door. Move over here, kitchen, boom. It's actually very, very spacious in here, as you can see, like, girl. And then down the hallway over here, the bedrooms go that way. So the bedrooms go, it's hard when you're looking. So the bedrooms go that way. Which you guys probably see when I vlog and stuff in my apartment. I've never really done an apartment tour, but quick little overview of my space, which I do love. It's really a nice flat. Like, so much room, so much to do. You see, I love my flat. Love, love, love. So much space, so much to do everything. And then you see back there, I have a huge long hallway, as you can see. That's the art gallery wall. Bathroom's literally straight ahead. And then our bedrooms are on the side. So, little apartment tour, because you guys never got one from me. But I do want to read my Bible once I get out the shower. I'm reading the NIV Holy Bible Student Edition, which we love because, you know, you can understand the Bible. Okay, sis? Right now, I'm about to read True and False Disciples. I'm currently reading Matthew, so that's what we're reading. We're reading Matthew. So it's Matthew 21. Let me show you guys. So I already like read all of these. I'm onto this page. As you can see, I do doodle, mark, and highlight things that are very important to me or that just speaks to me. You know, everybody, the Bible speaks to you differently, and certain things pop out, or a lot of things are the same as other people. It's just, all right, you guys, I want to show you guys some products I like to use out the shower. So this is the lotion I love to use. My grandmother used to use this on me as a kid because I have very dry and itchy skin. So as an adult, I just stuck with it. You could buy this at Walgreens, Walmart, anywhere, girlfriend. So for my face and my acne scars, I'm going to be using the Ordinary. And this is what it's called. This is really good for dark spots and to even out your skin tone. So shout out to the bestie. We're almost done. And then for like face wash, I use the Lime Comb. I freaking love this brand, and my best friend's sister gave this to me, and girl, let me just say, I absolutely love this. It's so creamy and it feels so good on the skin. This is like travel size, so I'm gonna get the big size very soon.